welcome to my first YouTube video. Over here, it is a years to days and years to months. We have it on code.org. We are just making this code. It's a script, one script long, so it's good for beginners. And if you are just like not a beginner and you're probably someone who is really good, like me, you might want to close this tab or something, because this might tire you out. You're going to put it thumbs down, which I don't want. But over here is we have 6 things which are important to the user. First, whoa, that was weird. First, when we click run, I'm going to explain it to you. What's going to happen is we're going to enter our age. I'm just putting 1 so that you can see. Now, when we click, this is only happening when we click calculate. So if I click calculate, it's just going to calculate it super fast because I never said the wait thing. I've never put wait this many seconds or this much time. So now this is like our output. You can see your age in months is 365. Your age in days. Give me a moment. This must have gotten switched out the last time I was doing this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now, let's check it out. Okay, reset, run. Okay. So, I'm going to do 1. I click calculate. There, that's better. Your age in months is 12, and your age in days is 365. So, it just calculates it and multiplies on this one script. But over here, just like a text, this labels and the button. So the code is on the event when this is clicked. It's going to get the text from here and set the text to here. Now, in case you don't know, get text means writing. And set text means writing, and get text means reading. Remember that. Get text, writing. Set text, reading. Oh, no. I'm so bad at saying this. Get text, reading. Set text, writing. Alright. So, it will set so we're going to months. So, it's going to set our first text. This first text we're doing over here. This one, you just need to type in it. This first text, it will set it to... Now, it's going to get the text from here. Remember, it's going to read it from here. And it's going to multiply it by 12 and put it here. Okay. Now, that's the same thing here, except it's going to put it here, and it's going to multiply it by 365, which is how many days there are in a year. I was about to say years there are in a day. So now, if we click run, you know how it happens. We're going to enter our number, 1. What happens when we click? Alright. Look, if you enter our age, which is 1, you click calculate. Now, this is what happens. Reset. Okay. This is going to be the first time I'm trying this. 1. Okay, wow. This is the worst. But what happens is, when we click calculate, the moment we click it, it's going to do all this calculating at once. See? If you want to add an extra feature like load, which is just going to be for fun, it's not going to actually load. You can just have it's going to change screen to another screen, and that screen will just load, and then it'll change the screen back. But that's just like a troll. But this is basically it. So bye.